In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open YouTube Studio. If you create videos or manage a channel, YouTube Studio is your control center. It's where you can monitor performance, check comments, upload content, and manage settings. Today, we'll keep it simple and focus on getting there quickly and confidently. Start by going to YouTube in your web browser. This process assumes you're already signed in to the channel you want to manage. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there, usually displayed as a small circular icon. This is your account avatar, and it indicates which Google account and channel you're currently using. If you have a custom channel avatar, that's what you'll see. Otherwise, you might see a default initial. Click your profile picture to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains several account and channel options, and it's the quickest way to access creator tools. In that drop-down, look for the option labeled YouTube Studio. It typically appears near the top portion of the menu, alongside options like your channel and account settings. Click YouTube Studio. The moment you select it, YouTube will take you to your channel's Studio dashboard. That's it, you're in. The dashboard gives you an at-a-glance view of recent performance, news, and helpful tips tailored to your channel. On the left side, you'll see a navigation panel with sections like content, analytics, comments, subtitles, and more. You don't need to click anything else right now, but it's useful to know that this panel is how you move around once you're inside Studio. A couple of quick notes to make this smoother next time. Because Studio opens in the same browser tab, it's easy to bookmark it for faster access later. And if something looks different on your screen, keep in mind that YouTube occasionally updates the layout, but the profile picture menu and the YouTube Studio option remain the standard route in. That's the whole process. Go to YouTube, click your profile picture in the top right corner, and choose YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you've done it a few times, it'll become second nature, and you'll be just a couple of clicks away from managing your channel whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get into YouTube Studio with confidence.